What's up, YouTube? Nice Jams here. Just rode home my brand new 2017 Softail Slim S. She's looking great. Got the rear swing arm bag on there. This bike handles like a dream. If you're thinking about getting a Harley, you definitely want to take a look at these. I heard they're going to discontinue them after this year. So 2018 is going to be too late. I'll start her up for you so you can hear what she sounds like.